Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. This video is related to the daily question, and in this video I'm just going to solve a daily question, Leetcode question. As I know, I'm not active on the YouTube, but I'm trying to myself, trying my best to be active on the YouTube. Sorry for that, but now let's move to the question. So this question is rated to, means the question name is design, add and search for data structure, and this question is related to the parent question of this question is try. In this question we are totally using try data structure, as the small variation is there. The whole functionality is used as in the try data structure. We have two operations like search, insert and search. In this we have keys and we have to search this word the. In this we have to input this and then we have to search. So the whole functionality is same, but the difference, minor difference, is that the input r is in dot, means we have to match this dot with any of the character, means by the regex. You know how the regex work, that the dot is can be able to match with any of the character. So let us move forward with the question. If you know try, then only watch this video, or if you are able to understand the concept. So I will go on the basic, but if you want to first learn about try, so you can watch another videos, but I will tell you about try in this video also. So if you want to watch, just take on this video. So first of all, let me draw the basic structure of try node. What the node consists: try node, as when you create the node of linked list, it has data and next pointer, means it's containing the pointer to next. And when you're creating the data node of tree, it's having the data and left and right pointers. So in this try node we have 20 children of this node, means it does not have one or two children, it have 26, sorry 26, by mistake I said 24, 26, because from A to Z it consists of 26 characters, alphabets, so it has 26 children. Okay, so our node data structure is like that. It contains a character, so the data structure of data is character. And I said it's have, as in place of next pointer or the left or right, we have children, 26 children of the same kind, so we will make an array of pointer, and the data type of that will be try node. And we, in this, what we are storing, the alpha string we are storing. So we have to check at, as we have stored dead, dead means dead papa. So when we are storing this dead, at the last character of d should be terminal, means the ending point of that word. So it should be true or false, means the it's the last word or not. So we have an boolean type is terminal. Okay, so this is our basic structure. Then we have to create, the what we say, constructor, and we will initialize it. This is here, but there is no space. Sorry, I have a space by what I'm saying. Data this is an initializer list. If you have not studied about why we are using initializer list, so you can study. I am telling you that initializer list is a better way of initializing the object or the data member inside. Wait a minute, I have to write false. We will initialize to false, and we will loop for loop from 0 to 26, and we will initialize root for this children I to false, null. Okay, So this is our initialization, this is a constructor, this is the whole data structure, our structure of a try node. Okay, now what we are doing that we have data which is need to be inserted. So first of all, when we create a object of this node class, so how we create try node star root. This is, we have initialized the try node, we have defined when we are calling this object, this word, so it's creating a new object of per dictionary. So what we have to do, that we will create a new object, root new try node, and we will create our first node with this character, means this is a null character of the string, but just for and denoting any character you can use. Now what we have seen, that our node has been created when the object is initialized. Okay, now what is the task, that we have to insert the word bad, dad, mad. So let me write bad, dad, mad, and what is the another one, Edward. Then we have to search. Okay, so we are just adding add, dad, bad. Okay, so we will add this node consists of an array. As you can see that we have an array of children, and initially there is no data in it, it's null, null, everything is null. Okay, so when we are searching, and these are indices of 1 2 3 4 5 to 25. Okay, now when we are having this word bad, so our index is at bad, so we will convert this b to the ASCII value. Okay, of ASCII value of this is 96, 97 or 98, something like that, and we will convert from 0 to 26. We have to have the indices of to index with 0 to 25. So we will make at word 0 minus a, small character, because our data has small letters. So in this we have index 2, because a b c, so it's 0 1 2, so b value is 1, so we have 1 in it. Now we are checking if at this place we have any data. Let me check. If root children index consist any data, so we will do some task. If not, we will do some task. This is a basic structure of data or of our program, and after this task we will perform a recursion function. As we have moved to this node, then we will do the same task to another node, another word, another forwarding word, means another preceding word. So let us write code, solve next node. What we are going to, it's the child, as we have moved to one child, so we will name it as child, and we will move as it's a dad, so we will pass this string only. So how to pass that? This word substring 1, we will pass substring of this word. So this is the insert function. Now in this, what we are going to do, root, we will create an variable child. This, now we have defined the child variable. Now as this is not null, so we will move our pointer, we will store data in this child. If it is stored in this, so it's well good. If not, we will create a new node, try node word 0. Okay, and we will override the data of children as it was empty before. Now we are pointing this node to child. What do you mean by this? It first we have nothing below this, everything was empty. Now we have one node D. Okay, now we are, first of all, why our root was this. Now we have moved our child, now root child, children, index is child. Now this is pointing to this, so we will move child. Now child is this one, so our root is, now this is the recursion, so now our root is child, means now root is here. Okay, fine, let me summarize everything. First of all, we have created our node. Okay, first of all, we have created a node which was empty. Then we have added a character D, and first of all our root node was here. Now our root node is here, and our input data was DAD. Now our data is add. Now again we will do same here, as A is not present in this, so we will again add A. Now our input is D, and again we will add D. Now at the base condition, till now where we have to move, till our string is not empty, or the word length, if the word length is equals to 0, so what we will do, that root is terminal equals to true, and I will return. This is very important, I will tell you in the code what I have done a blunder mistakes, so it took me long time to solve this question, but it was a very easy question, and this is the base case. We have to put it here above this code. Okay, so now we have created the insert part. With that, how we are inserting the data, let me insert all the strings. So let me insert B A D D A D. As we will search for D again, then we will say it's not present, so we will add here. Then again we will search for M, it is not present, so we will add here. Okay, and this is a small m, so don't be confused that why we are using the capital letters. Okay, so now this is the data structures, as we have inserted this many strings in it. Now what we have to search is pad. We have to search pad. How we will search? We will come on this root node, then we will check again the same code what we are using, that we have to check, do we have P on that index. Means what is the index? Index is index word 0 minus A. Means here we have P and here is A, so what is the index? Means what comes at the place of P. A B C D, just count it. Let me assume it is 20 18. Let me, it's 18. Okay, now I will just move to the 18th position of my array, so it will search it is null or if we have any data at this place. At this place it will say it's empty, you don't have anything. So what I will return, I will simply return false. that I don't have any data related to P or PAD. Okay, so in this it is written false. So our one condition is that we will search that if the data is present or not present. If now data is present, now we have another word, bad. We will search B. Yes, B I have. Then again recursion call. I will just move my node to here and just again call A. Then again I will call D. Now what I will do, I have come on the condition where my string is completely finished, and I will search. I will check if this node is true, means if word is 0 and word length, okay, word length, and check return root is terminal, okay, means it is true, then it will return true. It's false, it's wrong. Once means I have another word, another letter here, then I will, this is not a root node, so this is not a true node, means a terminal node, so it will return false, but in this case it's returning true. Okay, now this was a basic strategy what we are using normally. Now the case come, we have a dot, means in this we have dot. Now what do you mean by dot? Means we can search, we can move on any of the character, means any of the character from any non-empty character. Means what I am saying, if you have array like this and your node is here and you're searching what is this, so what you will search, D dot, I have to move on any of the character, means I will match any of the character which is not empty. Means let me say I have data 2 1 2 3 3 25. Let me say I have a data on this and data on this, so I will move in this also, I can move on this also, means this or this, I have choice. So what I can do, that I can apply for loop, I will iterate from here to here and check if this node is empty or not, if it is not empty, so I will move on this node and check below it, and I will after the answer I came here is written is true or false, anything can be written, then I will again come on this question, then second node, then I will check it's true or false. So means I have to apply only for loop in this case and check, I can move, I can match I have the matching string or not. This is a simple question, nothing else. Let me show the code. So this is a code, let me copy it and explain you. How I can paste is not coming. Let me explain you here. Okay, so what I have done, see, first of all I have created the try node, as you can see, then I have created a word dictionary object initialized. Okay, then I have inserted, as I have seen that if word size is 0 then it's terminal true, then index word this I have explained you. The main condition is here, when we are searching, means when you're searching, if this is the case, if word 0 means I have the point, so I will just apply for loop from 0 to 26 and root children I will check it is not positive, it's not empty, so I will just store the answer or this, means wait a minute, if I seen that the answer written by this is true, the answer written by this is true and this is false, So what should be my answer? It should be or, means this, the answer can be this also and this also, means I have written true. Obviously if my answer is matching, so I will just return the true one. Or you can apply, okay, so this was the case. As I have took the variable here, answer equals to false, then I have just match here, and else means it is not dot, so we will just normally match true. If it is matching, if we have data on this, so we will move forward. If no data, we will return false, and answer we will return false. So this was the complete solution of this question. I know the video was so long, and you have learned a small thing. If I think I have created the basic clear about this question. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like this video and share with your coder friends. And I will just resume my series for data structures and coding with me. If you want me to upload a video, so please comment below. And thank you for watching my video, and have a nice day.